Welcome to our new series on the top architectural styles for luxury homes. In this video, we're going to cover another one of our favorite architectural styles, which is sometimes called the California Craftsman style. This style is a popular home style that emerged from the American Craftsman movement after the turn of the 20th century. There are different kinds of Craftsman style homes, but we're going to cover what we believe is one of the more popular of them. Now, let's go over the California Craftsman style. First, let's look at some of the exterior elements that make up this style. The commonly featured exterior elements in this style include low-pitched gabled roofs, overhanging eaves with exposed rafters and beams, heavy tapered columns, patterned window panes and a covered front porch, brick steps and accents, and pier and beam foundation, which elevates the height of the house and enhances the curb appeal. Now let's look at some of the interior elements. Crown molding, handcrafted door and window casing, wood countertops, brick fireplace surrounded hearth, clawfoot tubs, block paneling, tapered columns with book storage, stained cabinetry and accents, beadboard ceilings, painted ceiling beams, and finally, decorative glass cabinets. This style originally had a lot of stained woodwork, but we're seeing more of the newer homes that lean towards white paint schemes that seem to brighten up the overall look. Thanks so much for watching our new video series on the top architectural styles for luxury homes. If you have any comments about this style, please leave them in the comments section. And if you have any questions about this video or ideas about new videos we can make, also leave them in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to us if you'd like to get more of our great content. Lastly, if you're interested in building a custom luxury home in Houston, Texas, please reach out to us through our website at aspirefinehomes.com.